Well, I've got the ladies from the Senior Center here, Cheryl and Cherie, and a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of events, holiday events, and we're going to get into those. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Always good to see both of you. So we usually start with Cheryl because if we don't, she just butts in anyway.
Yeah, let her have it.
So you always talk about some health things and aging gracefully, which you have. You have.
Thank you.
Yes. No, I mean how long have I known you now?
Oh, years.
Yes.
Yeah, and I still look the same, right?
You pretty much do, seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
I mean, seriously, you do.
Well,
I haven't known as long, so you still look the same.
Monarch has a program, Aging Gracefully. It's a presentation. It's going to be on the 26th. I put my glasses on at 1 o'clock, and Pat Glavin teaches this class. She's a very high energy.
Oh, yeah, I know Pat.
Yeah.
She's been with you a long time.
Yes,
yeah,
well,
with
she
Monarch.
comes and goes, but she's coming in and telling us how we can keep our youth.
Very good. So this is less about medical stuff and more about how to just stay active and, healthy overall, but having a good life and continue.
Right.
Good.
Yeah, so that's good. And speaking of health, Medicare 2020, we have one more presentation, and that's on December 3rd, and that's at 1 o'clock. And Gene Campbell's going to be teaching that, and he's going to explain Medicare because, it's like you have to go to class to understand this. Yeah. And if you make a mistake, you're penalized for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
So, you have to know when to apply, what you have to do, especially for Medicare D and drugs and things like that. So that's going to be on the 3rd at 1 o'clock.
We had someone on from Medicare on with our Social Security guy, and he's going to explain it better than anyone else. And then afterwards, I'm like, what?
Yeah.
And he goes, yeah, I know. It's really hard to...
Yeah, I applied for Medicare, and I had so many questions. And I thought I knew a fair amount about all the plans and everything like that. I had questions, like very, very basic questions that was not explained to me. And so you almost have to meet with a counselor and go over the decisions that you have to make. So
that's why. So that's December 3rd, which means... you only got a few days afterwards to get your stuff
December
in.
7th.
Yeah, now you can change it. You have like one chance to change it in January to March.
Right.
But really, get your stuff together now and kind of go through things and then go December 3rd, right?
And I want everybody to come to the Senior Center because we're having our annual holiday raffle. It's in our lobby, and we have home care companies or other organizations that have donated gifts, really nice gifts. Trader Joe's cards, Mother's Market, spa days, a dog basket. It's all sorts of filled with all
That's
of
really good.
Stuff. Yeah, so it's come in and buy some raffle tickets, and we'll hope you win.
All right, that is really good. That's neat. Thanks
I
to all
keep
the
putting
companies.
raffle tickets into the spa.
Yeah, I bet you do.
One.
Yes.
Haven't won yet, but this is the year.
All right, a lot more things going up. I'll mention this first, just because time is of the essence. And next week on Wednesday, November 27th, you'll be having your luncheon, your Thanksgiving feast, from 11:30 to 12:30, and this fills up very, very quickly, as all your lunches and do, but especially these special event ones. And of course, you got the whole menu going on. Yeah. So I really encourage you people, if you would like to go, call them at 380-0155. And what is the cost for this?
It's always a suggested donation of $5.50. So yeah,
so it's all like
welcome.
your lunches in general. So where are you going to go to have that? For that little bit of a price, and you have these ladies there.
That's right. We'll entertain you.
There's the price of admission right there. You're going to put on your pilgrim outfit.
We always do the tables up nice with nice centerpieces, and just come and enjoy. Be with friends. No one should be alone this time of year. So come on down. Yeah.
They shouldn't.
Yeah.
All right. You've got a few other things?
Yeah. With the holidays coming up, we're noticing a lot of our seniors are getting new technology. They get new telephones. They get tablets, MacBooks, you name it. They get all kinds of things. So we have lots of opportunities at our senior center for tech help for seniors. So we have have a gentleman that comes in once a month, but we have something that's a little bit more, I don't know, I feel like it's way more helpful, where California Phones comes in. Their next time they come in on December 4th. That's a Wednesday from 1 to 3, and they're doing iPhones only that day.
Okay.
They switch back and forth. They do Android phones and
good.
iPhones, so they
that
really
streamlines things. That makes a lot of sense.
And so they help out our seniors understanding the basics of using your phones. We also, just at the senior center alone, we have 2 gentlemen that come in and help out on a weekly basis. We have one that's retired from Apple, neat guy, great resource, and he does more one-on-one with our seniors to help them out. They walk out so refreshed, so thankful, because they really truly just want to communicate with those around them and their families. They learn how to send pictures and how to FaceTime and do all those fun things that those devices can do.
That's a really a great service.
Yeah, and
Real
so
nice.
then we have our second gentleman that does the Androids. So Androids and then, just the regular laptops. And he's there on Fridays. So Thursdays and Fridays are our days.
Do they need an appointment, or are there certain times?
It's always good to call and make an appointment. Again, that's that one-on-one thing.
Okay.
So
really nice.
Give us a phone call. Let us know. And we're there. Another little resource that we always try to, let our seniors know about is the driving resource room. Yes, that's a big one.
Nice.
So a lot of our seniors come in feeling anxious about taking that written test. So we have nice.
I feel that. I mean, believe me, I haven't had to do that for years.
Yeah.
And I just had to renew last year, and without any tests. But who wants to take a test?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand that.
And it's all computerized now, from what I'm hearing. So we have these great volunteers. One of our volunteers is actually retired from the DMV, so she's a great resource as well. We try to really get ourselves in touch with really great resources and really great people to help our seniors out.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so they give tips on taking your driver's test, practice written tests, DMV information, computer tests, local resources, so they do the whole bit.
Very good.
Yeah.
So lots of stuff.
Yeah.
And, so many things to help people out. And you just got to call, because a lot of times you get full up there. And but things like this, look at all the things that you offer there. And volunteers, you're always looking for people to help out.
Always looking for volunteers. Our Meals on Wheels program is continuing to expand.
Good.
We keep getting more and more, which is great because we want to fill that need. So we're always looking for volunteers to come help us out. As little as you want or as much as you want. It's just a couple of hours a day, once a week. Come down and be part of that volunteer team. Great team.
Fantastic. Very good.
Yeah.
And of course, you go there and you see these ladies there and all the other people that help out. I mean, really good.
Oh yeah,
we have
really
a great staff.
We have a great team.
And I know you've got Thanksgiving feast, and then you'll let us know as we get closer. You usually do holiday themed and all that kind of stuff, right?
Got a lot coming up in December.
Busy time.
Busy time.
All right. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Remember, call them at 380-0155, because if you want to get in on Thanksgiving feast or any of these things, a lot of these things are just offered to you free, but the point is they fill up, and you got to call and put your name on. And then Thanksgiving feast is a suggested donation and that sort of thing, but that fills up too. So a lot of fun over there.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Good seeing you. Have a good Thanksgiving. I won't see
Thank
you
you.
before then, right? All right.
Nope.
No, well.
Take care.
Okay.
We'll be back.
Oh yeah, that's.